Guys, and welcome back again on my YouTube channel, Technical Umar. If you not subscribed at this channel, so please subscribe and share this channel for the upcoming video on Linux administration as well as on other technologies so that you can never miss an update. So I request you to all please like, share, and subscribe this channel. So without wasting, let me move ahead. So in today's video, we will discuss about the managed profile. Managed tuning profile is very important in Linux admin. So tuned, what exactly is tuned? Tuned is a Linux feature that monitor a system and optimize its performance under certain workloads. So tuned uses to monitor your Linux system and optimize its performance for specific workloads. So it uses profile to do this. So what is profile? Profile is a set of rules. It's nothing but it is a set of rules. Set of rules we can say. The profile defines certain like profile defines certain system parameters such as disk setting. It may be disk setting on your system, kernel parameters, kernel parameters, and network optimized settings like network optimized settings. So this is basically the tune. So in terms we can say that tuned is nothing but it is a ledger that monitor a system and optimize its performance under certain workloads. So this is the simple. Let me clear out the screen and move ahead. So to check the status of tuned. So in Linux, basically a tuned service is used. So you can test the soft tuned with the help of system, CTM, status, and tune. This will give me the status of current status of tuned service. You can also mention tuned.service and you can also mention just tuned. So this will give me the status. As you can see, the tuned is active and running. You can also see the time since Thursday. This. One of the mm, one of the very important and advantage of system CTL is that it will give you additional information like the logs as well as the path. You can check load it from this enabled status. Along with that, it will give information of timings, PID. You can check task, the group. So there are a lot of information, so you can check with the help of systemctl status command. So let me move ahead. So to list out tuned profiles, you have to mention tuned ADM list. So this will give you the list of tuned profiles on your system. So let me enter to view more effective way. You can use less so that my page will organized. So you can check files balanced desktop HPC compute latency performance. So balanced general non-specialized tune profile. Second is desktop. This is optimized for the desktop use case. HPC optimized for HPC computer. So in this way you can check the available profiles on your systems. Similarly, you can also see like network latency. So this will be for optimized for deterministic performance at the cost of increased power consumption focused on low latency performance. Similarly, net throughput uh, optimized for streaming network throughput generally only necessary on older CPUs or 40 gig plus networks. However, safe. There is also profile called as floor safe, as the name suggests, optimized for low power consumption. Throughput performance, broadly available tuning that provides excellent performance across a variety of common server workloads. So there are other profiles as well, like virtual guest, virtual host. So this is the very helpful command. So you can check the all the available profiles with the help of this tuned list. So to exit this, just simply press Q. So you will be exit from this. So let me clear the screen and move ahead. The next command is tune ADM. Okay. This command will show you to display only currently active profile, like which profile currently active on my system. So you can check the help of this command tuned ADM active. So this will show you the currently active profile. So let me hit enter and see. So as you can see, currently active profile is virtual guest. So virtual guest is my currently active profile. And let's say you want to check the recommend. Your system also recommend certain profiles, like which will be the for your system. So system also recommend some profiles. So you can check that with the help of just simple command like tuned ADM recommend. So your system will recommend the uh, profile. So as of now, my system is recommending like virtual guest profile for my system, and the active profile is also virtual guest. So let me move ahead. Let's say you want to active a profile, a particular profile. So first of all, let me list out the profiles: virtual guest, virtual host. So let me open another terminal so that I can work effectively. We log in as a root. Let's say you want to active a profile, particular profile. So to active profile, you need to press just simply a tune ADM, which is a default tuned ADM, then profile. Then you have to mention the profile name which you want to active. Let's say I want to active virtual. As of now, right now, my profile active profile is virtual guest. So let's say I want to active virtual host. So I have to mention virtual, virtual, virtual. A little bit time and let me check again to check ADM active. So as you can see, so the current active profile is virtual guest. Similarly, you can also change other profiles as well. So let me show you, like let's say I want to change the profile to power save. So just simply you have to mention like tuned ATM profile, then power save. Let me check again. Tuned, tuned ADM active. As you can see, the current active profile is power save, and my system is recommending right now. My system is recommending virtual guest. So let me move ahead further. Let's say you want to verify that profile active and live. So to do this, you have to just simply tune the ADM and then verify. So this will give you the additional information like verification failed. Current system setting differ from the present profiles. You can mostly fix this by restarting the tune daemon, that is restart tuned and service tuned something. So as you can see, the verification is failed and the current system setting differ from the present profile. So let me restart systemctl restart tune, restart my service. Let me check again. It is showing me again. So this is something error which I need to check. So this will take further time. So I will not add right now that part because this will increase the length of the video. So without wasting time, let me move ahead. Let's say you want to off the profile. So to do this, you have to just simply like tuned ADM off. So let me check again the active. So obviously, since the profile has been off, so no current active profile it is showing. And let's say you want to check the additional information like so first of all let me active again. Okay, fine. So the current active profile has been actual guest has been set. Let's say you want to check the additional information. So to do this, you have to just simply ADM, tuned ADM, then the profile name, let's change to check power save profile. So this will show you the additional information. So this was the tutorial for this tuning profiles, and this play a very vital role in the Linux administration. So I hope this video is very helpful for you, and for any doubt and any help and support you can comment me. So I will revert back to you accordingly. Thanks for watching.